it's Shelley Farmer again. Today we're still cleaning stuff like windrower front, utes and everything. So yeah, we're cleaning the muster at the moment and we're about to clean the windrower front soon. Hey Millie, how are you, Millie? What are you doing here?
We're flushing out the radiator on the ute. The coolant was a bit dirty looking.
Yeah, so that will make it run better, will it?
No, it won't make it run better, it'll just stop the radiator from rushing out.
Yeah. You after we finish cleaning this ute. That job finished, we've cleaned the ute and we've done the radiator as well. So, don't know what we're doing next. I think it will be to pull out the windrower front from down there and bring it up, and then neat and push the header front over, and then probably replace these fingers on the header, the windrower front. The fingers are like on the pickup front here, so you grab that. It's like when the canola comes, it's kind of to grip it more and make it move. So we're gonna replace a few of these, like that one there. Look, it's only got one of them. So we've got a whole box of fingers. Where is it? Right here. So we'll be putting them on. And now we're going to clean the Land Cruiser GXL and then, I don't know, maybe clean the windrowing front, so I'll see you after. Now I'm moving this header forward so we can do the fingers as well. And we've got the windrower front here, the ute's nice, clean, parked away as well, and yeah.
I can't really tell, but yeah, I suppose.
What he means by getting his hand in that. So when that comes off, the bolt might, the screw might just go straight through. So he has to have his hand under here to stop it from falling off and holding it tight.
The problem was that I was trying to do that, and I was trying to push that on because you don't have much thread left.
One here.
Two heads are better than one side.
Snapped there, so I think there shouldn't be one there. Should there be one there? But that one's a bit thin. Don't know. We'll probably just leave that one. But that one there, that's broken. That one there. What else is broken? That one there. Can't see any more. I love you too, Teddy. This mat's dry. We can put this. Well, that won't matter. That's only a tiny bit of wet. We can put these back in the ute. Let this one wait for a bit. Put this right out in the sun. And that will stop it from getting wet. doing here, Dad?
I am releasing. Fries the third, yeah.
You're what?
I'm releasing the tension off the mats so that I can get my hand in there.
Yeah.
Take them off a little bit.
Mat under.
Eddie, have we got enough? Just concentrate in the middle in case we run out of fingers, hey?
I couldn't film you guys.
So work on the middle two mats.
This one here. There.
Finger please, Shirley.
Yeah. There. We pull the mat back. So it's on pulling through. Easy to go on pulling on the other one. So this goes a bit harder. Yeah. But we've got almost probably one more to go. So Dad's now tightening the mat now. Levi's cleaning the windrower front, and I'm going to put this away and then maybe have lunch. Put in the comments, do you think this chute is clean? So that. Put your suggestions down in the comments to say if it's clean or not clean. Now we'll probably grease this windrower front and then give it one last hose down and then put it in the shed. Go have lunch now, and I'll see you after lunch. Had lunch and finished the finishing touches on the windrower front, and now we're taking the header front out of the shed, straightening up, putting it in the shed neatly, and then putting the pickup front there somewhere next to it. Then put the windrower front in front of it. the shed now, we can maybe put the old red truck. Well, we're gonna put the auger right through here. Probably got needed to put the old red truck here. Do it there. We'll finish this. Happy New Year and thanks for watching.